Salobwa. A no be and happiness. And they don't involve Akobe. Akobe Ogunoba boy. Akobe took a fear.
Hello my people, how na dey also na dey fine. This video wanna just listen small so na about Ogbeti, one of you can do one. About Ilare Ugbo you won Ugbo you won. Elwana mi we atama we abati Kpai nanare. Who are you bonokba? Give it Tony Kabaka. No be Tony Kabaka again now. You go carry Akobewe si die you not do you anything. Una do arrow you about Lareo. Egbe kwe huwe egbe ma howe. Egbe ma huwe ye o we me because person wey dey normal. You no go behave the way they behave. Why it be say you just carry Akobe? O wa gbiyan yen ogian. Akobeghian na your mate. Abat. Akobe na your mate. Na by force to carry person. The edo we unwoman no rien. You go gbe. Okay? You woman no rien you go gbe. If those people wey be say they want book Akobe, they not get the money or they not fit carry am. Make they go carry other people. Na by force who worry ya ba lawe gbe ya. Usungu abatia. Wala jo wa gbin yan yo yere. O ma go we gun. No ya gwera gun re Obazee. O ma yi gegbe okwe. U wori ya usungu a. Iba bo lawe gba abatia. U gbe o. Iba bo lawe gbe. Gay. Edo for Bini where we be say we dey. If small pikin insult you, you go give your parents. Oviena ka vevoma. Abat, ware Akobe, wa ye gbaria na ma wariave. If Akobe can come out now, can't direct that insult to your parents, your people go they cry. Because now you never defend trouble. Since you go address someone, you not sabi address people. Eh? You not sabi, you just come out. Oh, your baby, you want be enya, who worry, who sungu. Happiness you go egwan waso. Oh, where that soon. You see all those small picking. Then they come now you they will start. So you mind egbe we. Person wey be say you will not get one on one. You carry on. What here bonia here? Don't want we respect, no regard, nothing. Ugele guma nyama train wa, nyama hamu wa na ya respect o my. If you want to address people, you address them well. You go address them where the way you want me they address you. Not be say you will come out where then Odagba 43 years Odagbana. Ihu where Akobeghian. Ihu where Akobeghian. Uwa mula de live video wa gbiyan yan. Nene ma not time where see the money where be say he ask. Of course. Na superstar. If you no fit, if your money not rich, come on body. Ya mo abi no that day now, not be by force, not by force. Abi not be celebrity. Not be the money where you want to carry people where join you this start. Not be you want to carry celebrity. Take it or leave it to warrior. Who vibe wakuta. Don't just come and they insult the man. Will not do you anything. He get children. Because u twen gbe not here bona. U kere gba bat. Abat, mam your corner no asun na where be say you will come out they insult people. Na in business they do. Even though say need 10 million. Na in business. What time I go no fear? Now you want tell her? I be the time where they pay you for politics. Now don't be you they tell them how much you want. If they say okay, they go pay for you. Who fear who back bon so Abi? Na free now you tell they do what you they do. Not be you they tell them the money where you want. So now there are any people where be said that they do musician where they do business. You go take your own money now you go talk. If you say my own too big, go carry another person where your hand go reach. Not be by force say you will carry me. So then where do I saw you will soon who bewa? Who wala jo do agbiyan your body your knee. O ma we mi rockba. So where when ni mana who we about to keregbe. Me igwa ti eboni ran ti eboni joma. Igwa we bet you utwon igbe about fi weri na etama wo ma onu. You are going to the extent now do ya feel ugbe get that dogge. Because my head total we are tie bone no wan. Who worry ya usungu. Who vibe wa okuta. Woman no kama we. Ijima no mujwa wa eti ta eti guwe gwa. Osangwa gume o modoni eti gugwa. Nonsense. O ma no say no be we. Wa imo na jo gbe yan. You say nothing dey happen. O we rock by sunu. Igo re ni ya munu we no ba se ke munu we. O wo ta ma we igo no gwa lo. Eyan na munu we. Abi? Ono ba de la di gbe ati le ti go nekere. Problem iro. Any amount where you talk, now the person go give you. So which one you come and come they talk say, see the book and this one, the other one. The person will be say he send that he send that this thing can't give you. If you know say he never strong, when not big be there. Because why? Akobe have your hand. Have your hand. How am I gonna know more have your hand? Do what me say bani, then he go come out. Not by force. Who wanna don't want more bo wa mo bobiere. But me waiting. That's why I say they address people. Why you not come and say, "I we be see go koto." You know all those you address people where? Or where of it yoni? Or ma kan we kan 101. Ba mo ta we Obazee kan or gbedo etogele gbedo umemia. What do you wear to ye UK? Obazee do let dojo we na to ye UK. Ona mo work pa na mo kan work pa. Una do to ye UK. E do ma buan. Bini good wetin make you run come out. Why you not sit down for them? When you come sit down, when you come sit down for UK. Useless boy. Omo normal training say hopeless thing. He be like 70 years old man. Just come and come they insult that they insult Akobe. Akobe na your mate. He near you. He not near you. Omo no say no be away. You just come out, come they insult them. Or in the name of say you want to do social media, no your you. Wow, if your boy you pok marry me am no je we since we if ye do you know what come out your hands for people matter. Now people matter na go buy your head because they not near you. Even though say Akobe talk say na 10 million na 20 million you want it. What it be your own? If you know if you carry me, I beg go carry small go carry regret all those people where be say they never they hear their name. They don't they hear Akobe name where. So I be one come tell me say if Davido want go any show. You can't expect me to tell you, say, may you bring 1,000 euro. Eh? Who me nea? Who you call abatia? Eh? When you come and come they insult that man? Whoa, bon. Dano babe. I will not babe, man. I don't labonokba. A Tony Kabaka, or may for one, where Guavenadion, where Akobeghian Muladian, how do I tell now? No, everybody, you don't insult everybody finish. Or in the name of say they do policy no go. Oh, in the name of say they do politics no go. Why are you? Dano babe. If Akobe come out now, come direct that insult to your parents. Una they cry say, make they come up papa o, make they come up mama because you too small for them to insult. Bini people, now so it be. When no your if you curse me, I go give out to your parents because now me and your parents now they drag age. Abiari ya chonima. You do ate bonu we no your hand that we gbenia. Iri ye gera bi no makoko we say. Wa o hu abagbon. Dan ogbabe. Agwena be ya nwa agan yo je unya. Uba mi Akobe no wa hin no wa ese no wa gbe yan. O ma se kenuje. E to la dia na do tie bonera bi jouer. Now you fe dey carry and go dey draw and come out. Come dey insult am and you want me come insult you. E insult you we. That is why. Now so senior te dey do. You go give out to people where be say near where gba drag age. Where you too small. Wa vivi your gba drag age. You with the children they drag age. What are your way? Social media may go ya and neck bewe. Uma be you no look the way where you can be. Now so other people be. Uma neck bewe. Or however settle you where to not go where no. All these people not be politician. You gonna hold fear. Or man you not send there when or ma set him when no more marry. If not be Akobe, it can never be Akobe. Umemea. Abito zuo. Uka kizaji. Isho uka gele kizaji. May I put this short video for now and listen to this useless boy as they insult Akobe. Akobe never near her. That one day. You don't even know whether Abba they exist for this social media. You go they insult that man. Our superstar. Obiani maya hiyo we do ya. Wa are you where you? Sakmana unwarenju wao. Wa kudi de yokere. If your boy you pok man yemi ame no jewe we wa sungu idiot. About woman stop nonsense in anu una. People were not near you where go they carry come, especially our superstar. Stop her. Who soon who? You not near you. Any amount we talk, say you want take. Now you go take. If they not feed, they go carry another person. Wow, worry yeah. Or more than or je whether je we je. Idiot. We were just school. And you are behaving like
Salo bois. Enoge and happiness. And they don't involve Akobe. Akobe Ogunoba boy. Akobe took your fear. Akobe iye diaspora. Ne for over. Vela we Akobe took your fear Akobe. What are you what Akobe do?
But I greet you. I greet you, boss. You know, I tell you seriously, you are really trying. They try, not like you. Not only blind person, I go talk, say no, they try. You really open the diaspora people eye. Their eye don't open. I wish the eye never open. This Akobe month as well. You see, many cities for don't book and well. How can you book artists? Say, go tell you say, maybe you pay 3,000. The hotel, now you go pay. The flight ticket going and coming. You will see the demand for big bed. Go tell you say na 7-star, na 5-star. You know. If I ask now self, before my brother want to book himself, we don't book up people for the junction. Say how far? See. This one say no go. This one say no go. I say okay fine. But if we come book this guy now for 3,000, if people not come home, share the show promoter now go lose. He go lose woefully. You understand? So seriously, it's very bad. They not go even care about the show promoter will be okay. Where he go suffer himself. Go they meet Africa bar, go they meet people for us, buy drink, go they give people, say Abemuna come. They not go even come because of the artist or because of the Akobel, because of this okay, this boy do lawyer for this city. No show love for them. You know. By the end of the day, the person go see run loss. It's very bad.
Now, Akobe Ogunoba boy. Now, I don't say I'm serious for Akobe matter. Cannot say all these boys dusty drag and come out. Inside last 2 weeks, somebody called me say about you don't really finish Akobe. I said, why you talking? He said he brought a call Akobe from abroad. Say one book Akobe. So he said he brought that welfare book Akobe like 2 years ago, 2.5. Because Akobe say, how much will you no? No, he said welfare book and 1.5 before. He said because anyway you could correctly. This person will call Akobe so the APC. Also people will say I want can Akobe because of to prepare about. You see Akobe can say oh tell me. Oye ma say business they shake. Say all these young musicians, all these children of legend, say that they drag the work with them. Say oh yeah them wait. And we go very oriented. He said because no, not being able to do the vetting and move over. He said, Akobe say the person bring 700,000. 700,000. He said, when he brought that tenant, he come tell me, say, don't measure my name. That he brought an APC. He said, brother, say, Akobe, 700,000. He said, because I say, the man area, I mean, the area, bomb area, whatever, that's why I can't worry. 700,000. This same idiot Akobe. Now one go Europe, one city. He said, me give him. He said, these are the conditions. Live band, £3,000. Now they want to pay Akobe. I mean, 3,000 euros. That's over 5 million. That's over 5 million naira. Not stop there. He said, booking, DJ, 2,500 a matter. Spray money. This one Akobe will already collect 3,000 euro. Then spray money, of course, share spray money with the promoter 50-50. And if you Okode,